We have an example to make this part in absolute Cartesian coordinates. This point here will be the origin, and then we'll move along using always that idea. So let's start with a line again as we start on the origin. So 0, comma 0, our first point. And now I want to go to this point here. So I know that I have 10 in x, 0 in y. So I simply will say 10, comma 0. Okay. Now I need to move up 2 units. So 10 here, minus 2, minus 4, minus 2. So I have 2 here. So I remain on the coordinates x 10, comma 2 in y. Now this point 8 in x and 2 in y will go up 2. So the x remains the same. So 8, comma 4. Now I will go back in x. So I was 8 minus 4. So I came to 4. So x 4, y 4 will go up 4, x 4, comma 8, 2 again. So x it is 2, comma 8 in y. Will go up 2 more. So x I'm on the 2, comma 10 in y. And finally go to in this direction. So I'll go to 0 in x and 10 in y. Now I need to close it. I can say again 0, comma 0, and I will go to the origin again, or I can use this option here, clicking or saying C, but I will click close. The advantage of doing the close it will close the polygon and it will end the command.